Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the Video Technology Kit. We will look at what's included in the kit and how to use the different items. The Video Technology Kit includes tech and tech accessories for video-based programming. This might include making movies, streaming, social media, green screen content, and photography. The kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks to support in-library programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow members to become familiar with items before purchasing ones of your own. If needed, we do have a programming laptop available to borrow to use with the tech. However, all the tech included in the kit will work with PLS member library computers. Let's take a look at what's inside the kit. So the first thing you'll find is a resource folder, which has detailed instructions and recommended software. This is the ring light. We also have a ring light stand. Next is the gaming headset. There is a webcam included. And this is a cell phone tripod. In the black bag, we have the green screen, and it's very big. It's 10 by 15 feet. These are weights for the green screen stand. We also have clamps. And then in this bag is the green screen stand. Let's go over how to use the different items. The ring light can be used for a number of projects, including social media and library events. To use, we're going to set up the stand, and then we're going to attach the ring light on the top. There is a cell phone attachment with these two pieces, and you just screw them together, and it'll attach directly in the middle of the ring light. You can then put a cell phone in place and take videos or photos. So the ring light plugs directly into the wall, so it's just a very easy cord. And there are different brightness levels to the ring light that you can adjust. And there's also different temperatures, so you can change the hue of the light. There is a wireless selfie remote, so you're going to turn on Bluetooth on the remote, and on your mobile device, you're going to search for AB Shutter 3 and it will connect, and then you can open your camera and take photos. The webcam can be used with other tech, such as the headphones and the ring light, and you can use it to stream or with video conferencing software. You're going to plug the webcam into the USB port on your computer and ensure that the video input is set to C270 HD webcam. The gaming headset can be used for a number of different projects. Important to note that the headset has a removable microphone attachment, which is great for streamers or gamers wanting to play online with others. In order to use the microphone, you're going to use the USB adapter and just plug it into your computer and then attach the microphone to the headset. So it can be used either as a headset or as a microphone headset. So the green screen can be used with different mobile apps for video or photo programming. It might also be used as a photo station for library events. So first we're going to put the stands together, and the height is adjustable, so you can adjust it to whatever height is desirable to you. We need to put together this top pole, and we've included weight bags. Now there's nothing in these. You'll have to fill them with heavy objects yourself, but these can help give the stands a little bit of stability. Next, we're going to attach the actual green screen to our top pole, and it slides in just at the top of the cloth. And then you will get a friend to help you attach it to the top of the stand. Now we also have these clamps that you can use to adjust the screen, maybe make it a little bit tighter, or however you like it. There are many free green screen apps for your mobile device that can be downloaded. For recommendations, please check out the included resource folder. When you receive the kit, if you notice missing or damaged items, please contact the consulting department and we will see that they are replaced or dealt with. You can also send recommendations for different software that you find useful, and we will include it in the resource folder. To pack up, please double check that all the parts are returned to the bin or the bag. A list of contents can be found in the inventory cost sheet linked on the kits page on the PLS website. Important to note that it comes in one bag for the stand and one bin for all the other items. If you have questions or have ideas for future kits, you can contact me at dlatowski@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thanks.